They are seriously like so juicy, and I'm just gonna show you how I got them to look like that. Back, and I am finally finished. These seem more like mini twists, but I promise you they are way bigger. They look really good. They look really, really juicy. I'll get closer so you can see. This side has like already started to shrink because I did step outside for a little bit, so it's air drying. But this side is, I just finished with this and it feels so moisturized. You really want your twist to feel moisturized. So if that means adding an oil on top of your butter or cream, then use that. I would suggest to use an oil regardless, just because it's a sealant. It's a sealant for that moisture, and it will help your twist so much. I want my twist to completely dry without any frizz, so I'm gonna let this sit for about 2 days. We're on day 2 and I am ready to take these out because yeah, trying to sleep with this is not fun. So what I'm gonna do first before I do anything else is I'm gonna put some oil on my hands, a little lightweight oil. You don't need anything heavy because we just want to make sure that we're not causing any extra friction. So I'm gonna put that lightweight oil, rub that bad baby on in, and then what I'm gonna do next is just go ahead and undo these scrunchies. And you wanna make sure you're being very careful because you don't wanna mess up the twist. You just do the same thing for all of them. You don't need to add any more oil to your hands because we already did that. Alright, and then I'm gonna just spread a little bit of this oil on throughout my hair. The most important part of this entire thing is to make sure that you are taking your twist down the right way. We're gonna start here, and I'm going to just, my hands are still a little oily. I don't want to put any more because I don't want the twist to be super oily. But we're gonna start by just taking, untwisting a little bit, and you see we're gonna pull apart like that, and then make sure that you coil the ends when you, after you pull it apart like this, so the ends could stay coiled. If they don't separate, don't force it. If your hair is short like mine, you probably will have a little bit trouble in the back of your hair, just because for some reason our hair is shorter. I'm done taking down all of my twists. This is exactly what I was expecting. I'm going to go ahead and fluff it out and pick it so we can get a little bit of volume. We'll see how that goes because I am not the picking pro. This is my metal pick. You can use a plastic one if you like. I really like the metal picks just because they are longer. Most of them are longer and it's just easier for me to pick, especially with shorter hair. So I'm just gonna lift up and I'm not gonna go through the twists. I'm just gonna pick in and out just like this. And my hair is so soft. This is the importance of putting product on your roots. So it can be easier to pick, less frizz, all in one. It's so much easier. So you see how already you can kind of tell the difference. This is a little bit more fluffed. This is still in its standard state. So just continue to pluck it out, or not pluck, but pick it out. You can pick in whatever direction you want to pick, but really you just pick how you want your hair to form, how you want it to lay, whatever. So I'll just take that. And I'm so serious when I say the metal pick is like the best pick. It seriously is. I never could get with the plastic picks. I just felt like they were so difficult to try to like get in my roots. For some reason, this is just so much easier, so long. So if you see the back of my hair, you can see the part exactly where the twists were and how they laid. So what I'm gonna do is take this pick and I'm going to pick in the middle of my hair to kind of lose that part. And then I'm gonna just move the hair around. If you need to use a mirror, use a mirror. But I'm kind of used to doing this with like wash and goes and stuff. And then just, you know, move the back to get rid of that part. I'm done fluffing, I'm done picking, all of that good stuff. In a couple of days it's gonna get bigger, so I'm not worried about the length or anything like that, or the volume, because I know it's gonna get bigger. And I tried to pick as much as I could. It looks really good. Very, very easy twist out method, starting from the beginning when I first showed you exactly how I did it, from the takedown to picking it to fluffing it. So easy. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and keep a lookout. Hit that notification bell so you can catch my new upload. See you next time.